Okay. New series. Well, first, before we tell them about the new series, let's tell them what we did with the old series. Okay. Because everybody's probably want to know what's going on with the Duster. Yeah, all like 9 viewers. All right. So we sold the Duster, the 75. Sold it yesterday to a couple that wants to restore it. She used to have one. I guess her dad had one whenever she was a kid. Great contacts. Actually, they ended up selling us a 8 3/4 rear end while we were there. So that's probably going to go in the other Duster, or it might go in the next project. No, actually, no, because this one already has 8 1/4. Right? This one, yeah, this one has it. So, yeah, with that Duster, when we kind of did the top end fresh rebuild, the customers that came and they saw the people that purchased it, they really liked it. It's going to be a good fit for them. I didn't really want to see it I didn't really want to sell it right yet. I wanted to finish the project, but we had the paint and everything. We bought, like, we were ready to finish it out, but they wanted it, like, yeah, they're wanting to do their own idea to it, which it makes sense because she had a 75, right, when she was younger. Like her dad gave it to her, so yeah, it's like the same year and everything. So I'm happy about that. They're great people. But our new project, we were looking at a couple of what was it, a 67 Charger, and there's the Valiant that we're looking at right now. We decided to go ahead and punch the ticket on this Valiant. It's actually a really good deal. It's not that far away, so we're actually heading over there today to pick it up.
Here in town, actually, it's local, yeah, like 10 minutes away. Nice.
Which was actually really nice. Talked to the gentleman there. We'll give you guys a preview of it. We went and saw it yesterday. It's in actually pretty good shape, so I'm looking forward to this build. It's gonna be pretty fun. What did you think of the Valiant when you saw it yesterday?
So I was still in that Charger mindset. I really was kind of looking at that Charger, but the thing is, that Charger was totally trashed. There'd be a lot to work on, and it was like, sorry, it's like 3 hours away. This one is here in town. It's real local. The guy, he's trying to sell it, trying to just get some of his money back on it. But oh my God, like we'll do a little tour of it when we get there. But the interior is like mostly done. The paint's not bad. The engine's not running. It's got 318 in it, but I think it'll be pretty easy to get going.
Oh yeah, the goal is today. We're gonna see if we can get it actually turned over today. It had everything there. He redid the interior on it, which was they did a really good job on it. It has everything there. It has 318. I'm not sure what the transmission is. I didn't really look at it. It might be a 727. I'm gonna have to look underneath of it a little bit more, but it did have a drive shaft.
Not hooked up, but
no, yeah. So it had that there. It pretty much had extra gauge clusters, badges, extra chrome, because he say he had another Valiant, right? Waco, I believe.
He had a Dart, I think.
Was it a Dart? Okay. So
like the parts card.
Yeah. So he's he's another good contact because he's got multiple Mopars that he's keeping. He's keeping a few, but he's trying to get rid of his collection because he's got to move as well. So it seems like this is like the moving time. A lot of people are trying to sell their cars and move. So yeah, it was good. Hopefully it'll be a good build. I'm looking forward to it. So just stay tuned. We'll give you guys a little run. Wait for us.
Oh shoot.
The old MP. Just waiting for us to get another car. What? Go ahead, put it on. All right. Now we're getting ready to go. All right, just to let everybody know, we're on our way right now. We got the trailer all hooked up. Went and found this lady. She seems really nice. She wanted to make some money. She was out on the street, so I'm gonna help her push because my ankles are kind of hurt. So we got to push the car up on the trailer. So how much did we offer you and your child to push? What was it?
Snacks.
What's the snacks? Okay, good. Yeah, we're gonna go to the gas station and get her some snacks. But other than that, no, I just wanted to bring my wife and kid because we're gonna go grab some lunch after this. But yeah, the other kids are at the house, so hopefully it doesn't get burnt down. But yeah, so we're in around.
They've seen this one before. Perfect.
That one?
Yeah. Oh. The Duster.
That's right. That is right. So, anyways, Mary, say hi. All right.
Just waved.
next to all the other crappy cars. Awkward.
Your destination is on the left.
I wonder if he's gonna move that car. Alright, I'm just gonna park it right here. Alright, ready to push or what? Yeah, he's moving that. You can back it up, right? What is this, please? Long neck U-Hauls, right? Wouldn't it be nice if U-Haul sponsored this? You know? You should with all the crap. Oh, this guy.
Do you want to sponsor you, U-Haul?
Yeah.
What the hell is going on?
That was a shameless plug. Alright.
What's up?
Gonna be one of those days.
Right there should be good. Oh, I'm just gonna get closer to this guy.
Look at like the 10 man call over there.
What's up? Jeez. That'd be good.
Oh my god, there we go. Let's go in the video. Let's go to take the door off. Gonna do a quick little video of it real quick, if that's alright. Right, here it is. Seats are actually really good.
I saw the car the other day.
Brand new steering wheel. It's an 8-ball. Look at this. Got an 8-ball shifter on it. That's that's pretty good.
I did find the rest of it.
Nice panels actually. Oh, but on clusters.
There's a lock cylinder with the key for the trunk.
Perfect.
The lights, there's another set of frames for lights.
Okay.
The seals that I found, all the plastic stuff, the rest of the seat belts. These are leftover bolts. They're not really leftover. There's the air conditioning stuff. Everything's the metal thin rods for the ceiling.
Yep.
Everything's here. I don't even count this guy.
What's that?
It's only missing like 1,000, so it's like pretty close, but there's a lot of ones stuck in the middle.
A lot of what?
I'm all right, man.
Alright, here's a 318. So we said it was bored out. Bored out 30, right? That's what he said?
Yeah.
Alright. What are your Mary?
This is that car in Harry Potter, right?
She didn't want to sign it,
Same one.
but she already signed everything for you. So
Flying car in Harry Potter.
Yeah.
That's this one. What do you think?
It's the third time I've done this
Okay.
in the last week.
Rhyme with chivalrous.
Maybe smoke.
That is probably one of the nicest titles that I've actually gotten this year. Like, all the other ones are like dog ears in the water.
There, show a little bit more. Dry shaft's not hooked up. Awesome.
C40 or?
So you guys probably don't want this. Right.
This one being as bad yesterday.
Do you need it?
I have no idea.
This is the next one that I'm getting rid of. This is how I bought it. It's a 53 Field with a nail-head motor in it. And that's, I got 12,000 in chrome, 10,000 in paint, and the inside maybe another 4. And I'll probably let it go for 30.
$30? I'll do it.
A guy in Arizona said he was going to come get it, but he got sick.
Okay.
But that's the next one I'm getting rid of. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it.
Well, I'll definitely keep an ear out